Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to evaluate digital only banks using Nerdwallet. Digital only banks are reshaping how we manage money. No branches, no lines, just everything on your phone. But are they right for you? Let's break down how to evaluate them using Nerdwallet. First step, search for digital only banks on Nerdwallet. So you want to start by browsing Nerdwallet's list of online banks. These include fintech companies and online-only divisions of traditional banks. Step 2, look for FDIC insurance. Now you want to make sure that the bank is FDIC insured. Nerdwallet flags this clearly. This ensures that your deposits are protected up to the legal limits. Step 3, evaluate features and services. You want to check for mobile check deposits, early direct deposits, fee-free ATMs, and customer service options. Nerdwallet provides detailed features breakdowns for each of these accounts. Step 4, compare interest rates and fees. Online banks often offer better interest rates, especially for savings. Use Nerdwallet's side-by-side comparisons to see which bank offers the highest APY with no fees. Step 5, read user and expert reviews. Nerdwallet includes both the expert analysis and the real customer feedbacks. This gives insight into apps' reliability, customer support, and ease of use. Digital bank offers speed, simplicity, and savings, but only if you pick the right ones. With Nerdwallet's tools, you can compare options and confidently go branchless without missing a beat. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.